Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining me here today. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Lacey and this is Living with Lacey. So guys, as you can see, my little black box has come in. Every month I wait for it to come in and I'm so excited. I've had it for a couple of days, but it's been such a busy season and I just decided to stop so we could get into it. All right, so if you're interested in seeing what we have in our December cloth and paper sub box, just keep watching. All right, guys, so as you know, cloth and paper always starts us out with luxury, just beautiful box, beautiful packaging, and it's been changing. I think they're trying out some new things with their packaging, so it's pretty cool. But this is a card that you get. The card basically gives you a visual reference of what's in the box, and then on the back there's a description of what's inside. So let's go ahead and get everything out of here, and I'm gonna put the box over to the side. All right. Oh, come on. This is beautiful CNP. All right, so let's start with the box that we have. Start with this box. This says Archive. I did see this on Instagram, and so I was excited to receive it. So this is called the Storage Book Insert Archive. It says, because the end of the year is a time of change and a new mindset, the brand new Storage Book Insert Archive provides ample space for you to store old and filled inserts worthy of safekeeping for memories and for referencing back to. So this is a nice, they made it seem like it was just a large book. This says, oh no, let me not try to read that. Tiens moi à courant. I said I shouldn't try and I did, didn't I? All right, so this is really nice though. So this is Archive on the edge with cloth and paper. So let's open it up. Nice box. Oh my God, another one of these. This is also for great storage. This is a nice box for storage. I've already had a friend that didn't get the box asking me, let me have the box. No. All right, so then we have a bag. The bag has a tag on it that says there's luxury in simplicity. And I also saw this on Instagram too as a sneak peek. This is a paperweight. See, it's wrapped nicely. Nice paperweight. It says keep your desk in order with this moon-like spherical ceramic paperweight that adds a lightness to any office setting while holding papers down with surprising heft. Very nice. And it's not like heavy, but it's heavy enough to hold papers down. Yes. All right, so that is a lovely paperweight. All right, so let's see what's in this CNP bag. Y'all, I'm hoping every time we get a box that this bag is in there. I really like this bag. All right, I see a couple of things that I really wanted from this box. Let's just start from the top. The next thing that we have is, these are some page flags. This is the Luxe page flags. So here we go. It's this beautiful black and tan and white and black. It's beautiful. We received these before, but not with this word on it, so this is great. It says a new addition to the Luxe page flag line. Record, keep important information, favorite quotes, and current dates at your fingertips with these gorgeous transparent page flags. These are gorgeous. Okay, y'all, I'm loving this color right here, this black and tan and off-white. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. All right, the next thing we have is circle page flags in aspen. All right, it says inspired by a grove of aspen trees, these circular transparent page flags adds an ethereal quality to any planner. Use it to layer notes, bookmark pages, or jot down ideas. And of course, this is transparent. I'll show you what that looks like. Oh gosh, that's beautiful. That's really beautiful. Okay, so far, I'm loving everything. All right, next we have some greeting cards. The greeting cards say, for the warm greetings and thank yous, this greeting card set makes a delightful housewarming gift, or even for your own handwritten notes with envelopes to make it complete. So let's look at this. I want to say this is merci, as in thank you. Oh, it does. Not mercy, but merci. That's French. I don't know. Okay, this is great. Thank you cards or greeting cards. And then you can write on the back and put the date there. These are beautiful. Love. All right. Then we have some journaling cards. So there's 2 journaling cards. Oh, this is another thing. This is a January pop-up calendar. Oh, I love the way that pops up too. So this is set your desk apart from the rest with the first ever cloth and paper pop-up calendar. A sturdy, simple design with a complete, clear view of the month. Idea for when wall space is limited in the office. And y'all, what I like to do is to take the circle flag and then you can just use it to even highlight January. See that? Beautiful. Okay, I love that. All right, and then we have Trouvaille, which means a lucky find. And then we have another card, which means focus, a matter of focus. Okay, I love these 2. Okay, so far I'm loving everything. All right, then next we have a dashboard. I'm not going to mess up this word, y'all, because I'm just not going to read it. Not going to mess it up. All right, this is a Greek concept from the works of Aristotle as a term for the highest human good. This dashboard lays beautifully layered under a vellum dashboard for an effortless monochrome look, perfect for the cool winter season. Oh, and I love a nice dinner setup. Beautiful. Okay. All right, next we have reflection inserts. I don't know why I'm so glad I did not see the word bundle, but y'all, I don't like bundles. I don't know why. All right, so it says reflection insert. Pause for yourself and lean into this curated insert to inspire confidence and lead you in your ambitions for the new year. Inspired by a clean slate of a new year, the reflection insert gives us a moment to stop and reflect on our doings, our achievements, and accomplishments from the year and the year prior. So these are undated, which are great. Okay, you open it up and it's a grid, and then it says reflection, area, focus. And then you can give it, you can rate it, satisfactory level, importance level, achievements, what needs to happen to improve, quarter 1, 2, 3, and 4. Same thing on that side. Let's see if it's all the same. Yes. Okay, I like this. I like this. So this is just a reflection on the past year. And you really can look at your achievements and then set some new goals on how you can improve it, and maybe even do some goal setting for quarter 1, 2, 3, and 4 coming up. Okay, love that. And then last, we have a notepad. Okay, I'm loving it. I think I am loving everything in this box. It's great. This is a note to self notepad. It says use this stylish abstract notepad to jot down reminders, to brainstorm, or to write down important dates before transferring them into your planner. Keep track of your many thoughts, ideas, and tasks while adding a touch of style to your desk with this notepad. Beautiful notepad. Y'all, this is really a great box. So we have an insert, a reflection insert. We have a note to self notepad. We have some page flags, which are beautiful journaling cards. Got a nice little standing calendar. We have a paperweight, greeting cards, a dashboard, and then we have a beautiful box to archive all our old planner supplies or all our old inserts, which is great. And I think I'll go ahead and even do something where I can put the year on here. I'm gonna go ahead and put 2023. So then I can just start putting everything in there starting in January, after January's over. So, all right, guys, you know what? I think this is a great box. I really do. Let me know what you think about this box, and let me know which item is like your favorite item, even if you didn't get the box or not. All right. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Click on the notification bell for more videos to come. Don't forget, take charge of your life one plan at a time, and I'll see you on the next video.